Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I have a little surprise. I thought my nephew was gonna be here with me to see me do this, but I decided to wake up a little bit earlier and install it pretty much by myself. My friend is coming, Jordan is coming, but I'm just gonna pretty much do it by myself for right now because it's a quick install. It's nothing complicated, but I'm just gonna do it by myself. I saw a friend selling this, the Tomei full exhaust system, the Catback exhaust system. I decided, something that I've always wanted, and I really have to get it because it would make my car sound a lot better. Performance issues are better as well, and it's just a better thing. And it's what I really wanted to install. I have power tools thanks to my man Johnny, and I have a breaker bar. And I have catalyst converter, whatever it's called. What is this called? Catalyst converter penetrating PB. I don't know what it's called. I have that just in case, stuff gets old and, rusted up under there. What I really need, but everything shouldn't be that hard. I looked up under there the other day. It's a tight space, but there's nothing that I'm not used to. I mean, it's under the car with no, with no jack. Well, not jack, but like, the actual lift. So I'm not tripping. Excuse me if I seem kind of off. I just really woke up like 10 minutes ago, brushed my teeth, shit like that. And I mean, act like a 10-year-old. So it's like me for Christmas right now. The back is lifted. I'm gonna spray some of that shit up on here, and then probably try to drill that shit off or breaker bar it off. Depends if I can get the tool right there. Depends. Decided to pull up. Remember, he had the silver 350 RG35. Now he bought the white. Well, look at you. Side note: the exhaust hangers are fucking annoying. Hit my knee. Woo! Go America! I hit my head. The next thing to do is to get the, I got some rust in my eye. Get the mid pipe off. And then the Y pipe. Everything pretty much stable up on there. Just, ooh. Not on the ground. Oh, well. But alright, but yeah, let's get this shit out the way. Get my way back. Oh, I hit my kneecap. So finally, loosen these up. Now it's time to take it off. Oh shit, it's hard again. We got the mid pipe off now. All we gotta do is take the Y pipe off and we're good deal. Everything is going. And it's fucking raining, bitch. We got everything over there. Y pipe, mid pipe, exhaust, or tailpipes. So now we about to show your Y pipe, boy. Show your Y pipe, boy. The Y pipe in the muffler. Hour and a half. Finally got everything done. It looks good. It's I'm not worried about the bumper. I'm gonna get a new dump bumper anyway. I got it mounted up correctly. That shit's not going nowhere. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. After a couple of days of having it, I pretty much decided to let it acclimate. Decided to let the system pretty much develop into the sound and see what it sounds like. So I'm gonna do a cold start and pretty much just like an in-cabin ride around because I don't have nobody to record for me on the outside of what it sounds like. So yeah, let's just try that out. It's pretty much like it's like it was before when I had the muffler delay. I mean, it's nothing significantly louder except for when I drive it. It's a different story. You'll hear. I'm gonna ride with the windows down and then I'm gonna do it with the windows up so you guys can hear the difference. Let's go. Gas get all the way down there. I'm trying to take it as easy as I can in the neighborhood because it can't get loud. I'm just wondering when the hell did my gas get below this amount. I used to drive out of first and kick it into second, you know, get a little fishtail. But now it's like it's like a big squirrely. It's just everywhere whenever I come. I mean, that's not a good thing, but you can tell like the performance difference. Oh, I was in neutral the whole time, just cruising. But you can tell the big difference between it, you know. And then I mean, it's much lighter. It feels just. I don't know if it's the. Woo! I don't know if it's the placebo effect or whatever, but it definitely feels a lot better. I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little bit more confident. I feel a little bit more confident whenever I, you know, do pulls against, you know, higher powered cars such as V8s and whatever. I can tell a big difference between a lot of things, and I mean, it's just all over around fun. Oh, it's another one. Just like that little awkward stare when you see somebody else with a nice car. You just catch eye contact of you guys looking at each other's car. Like, it's so nice. It's like, think about this. It's awesome. I mean, I can put it in full breeze mode if I wanted to. If I'm in the neighborhood, this is how I sneak into the. When I sneak out or sneak in to the neighborhood, this is how I do it. Put it in breeze mode. Can't even tell I'm driving. Can't even tell I'm driving. Got a squeaky ass car behind me. You need to, you know. Ugh. So this is how you start it. Put in second. Let it roll. Can't even tell I'm driving. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Would you just look at it? I would just like to say thank you guys for watching my video. All your support really matters to me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I have a couple of more videos coming up soon. I'm thinking about doing a how to drive a stick tutorial. If that helps any. But thank you, and you're much appreciated. Love you all. Thank you.
Just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends.